There are two ways that you can customize how Continually appears on your site so that it matches your brand, your bot's widget, and your sidebar. Let's start with the widget. This is what will first appear for your customers and to get them to use your chatbot. This setting is controlled per bot, so let's start on our bots page. To edit your widget, you need to go to the appearance section of your bot builder. Now the first thing you need to decide is what format you want to use. We have 4 different formats, starting with the welcome message. This is a great widget for grabbing your customer's attention with a personalized message. You can also add images, videos, or links to your welcome message. Next, we have the quick replies format. This format uses the first object in your conversation and is great for getting customers engaged with your bot's conversation straight away. The next format is our standard button, so whether you want just the icon or text to indicate what the button is for example, a help button. And finally, if you would rather use your own button or link on your website, you can also use your button format. Just remember to add the Continually class to your link. And if you're using more than one bot on your page, to add the bot ID. So these are the different widgets that you can use to engage your customers. For each format, you control the color, messaging, and the display settings. Let's now style our sidebar where the conversation takes place. For this, we want to head over to our settings page, and under sidebar settings, you have 3 options. To customize how your sidebar looks, we want to go into appearance. You can change the background color, the height and the width of your sidebar, and you can also customize how the messages look by changing the color, font, chat bubble shape, and the font size. Then once you're happy with how your sidebar looks, just hit save. So now you should have both your widget and your sidebar matching your brand and website.